Welcome to another video. This video will hopefully answer the question that humanity has been asking for months. Which 3D printer is fastest? Between the Ender 3 Pro, Ender 5, and Tronxy P802. All on Cura default settings with a 0.28 quality.
All printing the same model, which is some stands for retro computers.
Room temperature 25 degrees Celsius. The Ender 5 starts printing. The Ender 3 Pro starts printing. The Tronxy starts auto bed leveling. The Tronxy starts printing. Room temperature 26 degrees Celsius. Room temperature 27 degrees Celsius. Room temperature 28 degrees Celsius. Room temperature 29 degrees Celsius. Room temperature 30 degrees Celsius. Room temperature 31 degrees Celsius. Room temperature 32 degrees Celsius. Room temperature 33 degrees Celsius. The end of 5 finishes. Room temperature 34 degrees Celsius. The Tronxy finishes. The Ender 3 Pro finishes. Room temperature dropping.
Thanks for watching. Please tell your friends about this amazing experience. To be honest, this was just messing around with ClipChamp video editor to see what I could do, smiley face.
Room temperature dropping.
Please give a thumbs up for this crappy video, go on please.
Room temperature dropping.
And please subscribe, because I will be making better videos, I promise.
Room temperature dropping.